Assalamu alaikum students. So today we are going to conclude our 12th poem, which is Rubaiyat, by explaining the last stanza to you guys. So let's move to our third stanza. In the first line, the poet says, "Love's madness has departed in." Here madness means craze or passion, and departed in means to despair. Okay, so in this particular line the poet actually explains that, or he actually criticizes the modern Muslim, that in modern Muslim the madness, the passion or the craze towards his religion, which is particularly Islam, has passed out because of the influence of the modern civilization. He actually criticizes the modern Muslim, the Muslim of the present era, that such person does not follow the commandments of Allah and advices of his ancestors. That's why he lacks the passion, or he lacks the आप कह सकते हैं craze. In the second line, the Muslims' veins, the blood runs thin. That in today's Muslim, their blood has become thin and they have become weak, and their faith is frail. Their faith also becomes thin because of the influence of the Western society. He actually criticizes the modern Muslim that they lack everything because of the because they did not believe in their own religion, because they are fascinated or they are allured by the Western or Western civilization, and they want to follow the that very path because they fascinate the modern culture. And in the third line, ranks broken, heart perplexed. Ranks broken and heart perplexed means hearts are confused, that they are distorted by both of the civilizations, and they don't know what's the right path, and they do not follow the advices of their ancestors, and they are forgotten the sayings of their Rasul, and they do not follow the preachings of Islam. That's why they are distorted, and they are confused, that they don't know what path would lead them to success. So that's why their hearts are perplexed, and prayers cold, that they have no passion in their prayers, that they have no faith in their prayers. That's why their prayers are cold. And in the last line, no feelings deeper than the skin, that they do whatever they do is a mere show, nothing more than that, that they just do, or they just pray for the sake of praying, that they do not do all these things because of the passion, or because of the enthusiasm, or because of the belief. They just do that for the sake of doing it, or for the sake of to be seen by doing that particular thing. So this is totally up to their आप कह सकते हैं intention of doing that particular thing. So this is the line for line explanation. Now we are going to paraphrase the whole stanza, so hear me carefully. Okay, so in this particular stanza, the poet actually narrates in a very pensive mood that the Muslims have lost fraternity and love for religion, and their blood has become thin, and they have become weak, and their faith is frail, and they lack unity, discipline and dignity, and they are leading astray by following the modern materialistic European civilization or European culture. And that's why they do not tolerate one another, and that's why they just push one another, and their ranks are broken, and that's why their fortification is frail, and their faith is frail, and they lost the glory which was achieved by their ancestors, and they do not follow the advices of their ancestors as well, and they are away from their religion, and consequently their hearts are depressed and dejected. So this is the whole your explanation